Go on and add 1 tea bag into this paste and you never regret it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So if you love beauty tips, this video will help you greatly, because this will help to do so many things for your skin. It helps to polish your skin. It helps to take care of dark spots. It helps to tighten your skin to make it look younger. If you desire a smooth skin, very attractive, glowing skin, go for this treatment and you will love it. Look at it. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients. Not only this, of course, other ingredients I added in here that will work powerfully to treat your skin, to revive your skin, making sure your skin is rejuvenated, taking care of your skin and giving you that glowing, attractive, younger skin. So the first ingredient I added in here is green tea. So this is green tea. I just brought it out from the sachet, okay? So green tea is a powerful antioxidant, not only for making a tea, for health benefits, not only for that. This will help to clear your skin, clean your skin, removing those dirts like impurities, blackheads, dead skin cells. It helps to firm the skin, to slow down your aging process. Like, this is just what you need. It helps to get rid of toxins. Most times after a stressful day, your skin will look tired, your face will look so dull, so stressed out, and that stress can also make you to start developing wrinkles and fine lines. So you have to use natural things like this. I didn't add water to extract the tea from it, okay? What I did was I just opened the tea bag, pour in the powder. You can see some particles. This is the powder. Empty the content into the bowl, the powder content. So this is the tea bag, okay, that you need, that will change everything about you, about your skin. So empty everything into the bowl, and the next ingredient to add is oat powder. Okay, this is so very good to keep your skin supple, like not dried out, not old looking. Your skin will look so supple, so plump, so glowing, so hydrated. This is what it's going to do for you. Oat powder. If you have a dry skin, it will help greatly to revive your skin, hydrate your skin, keep your skin looking so nourished and well prepared. So if you desire something that will nourish your skin, keep your skin more youthful, go for oat powder. You can also make use of rice powder, but mainly oat powder, okay? Try to get oat powder. So another one I added is honey. Try to get original honey, okay? So honey will help to keep your skin glowing beautifully. It helps to fade away marks, dark marks, with consistency, of course. Aside making sure your skin is glowing, it helps to keep your skin well hydrated, moisturized, looking so beautiful, like your skin will look the best. Try to get original honey. So the next one to add is vinegar. So here is apple cider vinegar. You need it greatly to take care of skin problems like eczema, pimples, dark marks, all these skin problems. If you have skin infection, it will take care of it. So adding a little into your facial treatment or body treatment will go a long way to ensure there are no skin problems. Your skin will feel so good, very smooth and soft. Add apple cider vinegar to clarify your skin, to treat stretch marks, cellulite as well, okay? So what you have to do, you have to use that apple cider vinegar for mixing. Be adding it little by little, okay? Add little by little until it forms a thick paste. Please do not add too much apple cider vinegar. Just a little, that will be enough to form a thick paste. So go on, after mixing it, wash your skin, the area you want to apply it, ensure it's very clean. Use water and a gentle cleanser to wash that area, then apply this treatment on that area. Make sure you massage it after applying it. Massage it like this, gently, gently, and this will help to take care of so many skin problems. The result will amaze you greatly. So go on and apply it on your skin. After washing that area, leave it on for 10 minutes. Yes, because of the apple cider vinegar. Some skin does not tolerate apple cider vinegar, but I have an oily skin. I can leave it on for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So if you have a sensitive skin, 10 minutes is enough. Then wash it off. 5 minutes is also okay. So after washing it off, then you have to apply a light moisturizer suitable for your skin type. So your skin will get better. Your skin will look so beautiful. It helps to take care of dark marks. Yes, it clears dark marks with continuous use. It also helps to glow the skin. Your skin will look so beautiful and glowing. Without makeup, you look so beautiful. It helps to tighten the skin, to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines with consistency also. It helps to take care of dry skin. Yes, if you have a dry skin, it helps to hydrate. It helps to keep your skin well hydrated, nourished, looking so smooth and soft. So go on and apply these treatments. I'm going to show you, of course, how to apply it for best results. You can store the remain in the refrigerator to make use of it next time. You can stay in the fridge maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you trash it out. Make use of this treatment every day or every other day, and you love your skin. People will be shocked of the transformation. Your skin will age less. Seriously. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.